My name's Matt Roberts. Welcome to the World of Concrete 2023. Welcome to Dayton Superior's booth. We're going to have a little conversation about what they've got going on today.
Thanks, Matt. I'm John Hankenoff. I'm the Director of Product Engineering at Dayton Superior. And here we have a display of a wide variety of our products. Down here, our first product to talk about is our panel base anchor. We call this our PBA 10k. What this does is it provides a structural connection between the wall panel and the floor slab. And it provides you the current code requirement of 10,000 pound uplift resistance. It also comes with an optional shear connector, which provides in-plane shear resistance as well as your 10,000 pound uplift resistance. We designed the system specifically for use with our bear cap bolt, which is a post-installed brace anchor, but it can be used with any post-installed anchorage that is suitable for your job or application.
So does this replace a Nelson stud then, or?
It could be used to replace the Nelson stud. So what you'll get is it's a full structural connection for 10,000 pound uplift resistance. So
Okay.
no welding, no epoxying, nothing like that. It's just a screw bolt connection and you're good to go.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you showing us the panel base anchor. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to your local American construction supply rep.